I'm on my other account. Lori1029. And Anna's on her her main account. This is my main account too. Lori1029. And her main account is Fuchsia Girl. So we're yellow team. We're building a boat. I don't know what Anna's doing, but do you just wanna get in a chair and I'll start?
No.
What are you doing then?
I'm building the wall.
The wall? Did Trump help?
I'm just kidding, you guys.
I'm sorry, but I don't like Trump.
I'm sorry, but that's our opinion. I don't like him either. And if that makes you sad, leave. Bye. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so mean. Like,
we're bullies because we don't like Trump.
Yeah.
What if he saw this video? He's like, I saw these kids playing Roblox. They're like, I don't like Trump. And I'm sorry if you guys are just upset because of that.
I'm not a Trump supporter.
I like Hillary Rodham Clinton.
Did you say Hillary Rodham Clinton?
Rodham Clinton.
Why did you say Hillary Rodham Clinton?
I don't know why we're talking about presidents. Oh yeah, because I said about the Trump.
Because of my wall.
Okay, hurry up with your wall. If you're wondering why we made a wall, we're making a wall so that when we're going, that wall can just break stuff.
Yeah, we're not making it.
Instead of break our boat. I love you, boy. Ow! I love you too!
I know, you guys are so weird. And what time is it currently? It's 2:31 a.m., so in the morning, and we're still up. Like, I know we're stupid.
Yeah, we're going to bed soon.
YOLO. If you don't know what that means, it means you only live once. So you gotta do all the things, like, No, we're not doing that. Okay.
It's him and I. Yes, it's me and you.
She ruined my damn.
Oh no. Okay, hurry up. We're going to bed at like 3 a.m. I'm a mess. I'm a loser. I'm a hater. I don't need. Okay, don't get in a throne. Get in a small chair.
Oh, I'm meant for a throne.
Now we're launching our.
You guys, I'm meant for a throne. I just realized something.
What?
You can't blow off our cannon.
What do you mean?
It's gonna blow up our wall.
No, because you can shoot at places.
Oh, yeah.
Our wall isn't really protective anymore. Okay, ready? I'm gonna shoot it somewhere. Good job.
Oh,
Your wall failed us.
it still breaks us. See, look. It just made a clear.
But do you see our boat? Our boat is sideways. However, our boat is gonna hit something.
Yeah, now we're done.
Hey, we made it! One clear path. Oh, yes, we did. And now is when we get hit. Yay!
See,
The wall is working.
I told you to have faith in the wall, hon.
No, that wall didn't.
That wall?
The wall didn't work. No, the wall isn't working, Anna.
You guys, we get crazy when we're up this late.
Yeah.
You should see my face right now.
When I saw her face, na, 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 I'm a believer.
You should do that face cam thing. Reveal your face.
Nah.
Yeah.
Everyone knows who I am by my face, by my voice. Most.
I need to see your beautiful face.
Face is ugly.
No, it's not. Let's do the webcam. We're gonna be right back.
No, we're not doing webcam. We can do that when I have enough subscribers that are worth it.
Ah! You guys don't subscribe to her just because of that.
JK. Anyway, I just need some more subscribers. Go ahead. What? No. I'm in an archery battle. Hello. Here, when I die, then you can tell me. This wall's actually protecting us-ish. Oh. Except for that. I can hear us just hitting stuff. I knew it! What does a tornado do?
Take our boat and swing it up in the air. What else would it do? Just kidding, I don't know what it does.
I don't think it does like anything. Yeah, Anna, our wall is no help. Look at our boat and look where our wall is. Yeah, we're dead. Okay, good. We're moving closer-ish. Okay, yeah, we're closer.
Oh, we're dead here.
Fudge.
These are blow-ups.
One of our thrones just blew up.
I call that throne.
No, I do. No, it's whoever gets it. I want to see the other one blow up. Yeah, the other one's gonna blow up, Anna. It's gone. We're dead.
Why is that so funny to you?
I don't know.
Why did you Dad, you're like Lauren, you did this, you're like
Anna, we have to do this one again.
oh.
I think it's annoying. You know what? At least we're getting filled up to the top. The wall just broke that rock thing. Don't touch the rocks. Good boat.
Where's our wall?
Our wall's right next to us. It's ruined. I love you, boy. Oh, I love you too.
Lauren.
It's him now. Oh yeah, we're dead. Oh wait, never mind. I thought it was
We're
a
dead on
no.
Little
I
Rock.
thought it was a toxic thing. I think that's this one.
This is how you can tell she doesn't pay attention.
No, Anna, we're dead. There's bombs.
Oh.
Anna, we almost the flag. Oh wait, I thought a flag was gone. Okay,
Our thing almost flipped over. A flag is gone.
I know. I noticed that.
Or did you only place 3? You would have been dead first.
I know, but I'm alive. Haha. Ready? I got my cannon.
You don't use your camera now. Is it like something like oh. You're gone!
That is so unfair. You should be dead. This was my boat.
I'm oh!
You're dead.
I'm so sorry. No, don't tag that.
Okay, I'll pause it now. I'm back. Anna wants me to do a face cam, but I'm not doing it. Here, let's make our single carts.
It's because she sucks.
I don't suck.
No, all you're doing. We're making single cards. I'm excited.
Well, everyone knows who I am.
Not really. I don't know you look like.
Are you gonna make a single cart?
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna be better than yours.
Thanks.
You're welcome. See, I'm the best friend, you guys.
No, you're not.
Hunty, I am. Don't ask me.
No, I didn't make it up.
Lauren, oh my gosh. You guys, she's so annoying. I feel like you don't have to be her friend.
My head is stuck. Honestly, I'm just making a random, like, ghost. I don't know. Don't ask.
I want to see it. Okay, what do you make?
A ghost.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. What did you do?
I don't know. I just wanted to try something.
I'm on a ghost. Did you get anything? No. See how long I can last.
We have the same amount of gold.
For now.
I'm gonna build a boat for me, not you.
Don't launch it though, because then don't I have to start over?
See what?
If I swear, if you do that, you're gonna die. Oh, I'm dead. I died.
Yeah.
What are you doing? I love you, boy. Okay, let's make a giant boat. Let's make a giant boat.
Okay, sweet.
Let's make a 2-cart boat thing, like it where
There,
it has
I
like
made a giant boat.
No, Anna, let's try something. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then put a throne on it.
I'm missing all with moss.
Yeah. No, I placed it on wrong.
Well, mine's not perfect, but whatever.
Okay, sit in it and
Mine's not even right on it, but wait, can I read your mind? Don't launch it.
No. Do you press yes? I don't want him to join. And now I have to have 2 people to accept.
Join the team.
But then he has our thing, Anna.
No, he doesn't. Oh, we can just rebuild it.
But I lost my blocks. Oh, never mind, I didn't.
Maybe something more?
No, I'm not. Why?
Oh, I made a box of different things. I think I was actually replacing the outside. No.
Oh my god, this thing is stupid. I want to press a throne. I can't place thrones, Anna. It's not working.
Click on something else, then click on that.
Oh, thanks.
That's what I had to do too.
We're probably gonna fall. Okay. We fell.
You're right. You even said we're probably gonna fall.
First try, and we fell. This is my other account. Sorry, I'm not on my Gymnasium account. I like suck on my other one. My other one, I just have like 2 blocks of wood. I only have 2 wooden blocks left on my chair. Alex, I'm in front of you, and most of my blocks are being sacrificed.
You're behind me. If you look at 1 box up there, 3.
3, I thought you had 4. Now you have 2. Well, now I'm only gonna have 1.
You do have 1. You have 0.
I know. I said now I'm only gonna have like.
How do I have more than you? And I'm way ahead of you. I'm not way, but I'm ahead of you. I totally missed that.
You're gonna die. So am I. If I get hit again, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, what are you talking about? You don't have any luck. Gone. I even called it.
How am I not dead yet? Are the thrones just that stable? Oh my god.